We are making a Cyanotype print today live in our booth. So we've got a backdrop here. We're gonna take a photo. Smile, smile. Great, looks good. So now come look at this with me over here. So we use this photo. This is actually our website, JacquardCyanotype.com. And so literally we just press one button and we've got a negative.
Oh yeah.
And we can print from there. I do like to bring the brightness down just a little so we get a darker print and we can get a more detailed photograph from it. So then I press print and then I change the orientation, make sure I only print one page. And then I print. And we're gonna print out our negative over here on our printer. And this is an inkjet printable film, so it has a coating on it that allows the inkjet to stick to the plastic. The inkjet is better than laser because it has more color density, and it's going to block the light better. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this paper that I previously coated with the Cyanotype solution. There's a part A and a part B. You fill the two bottles up. Like that, the two bottles are both very stable. You can keep them even for years. Once you mix it up, you should use it that day. So I mix up it as I need it, and then I coat the paper. I let it dry in a dark place. Once it's dry, you're ready to go. So here we take the photosensitive paper, we put the negative that we just made over top of it. It's nice to use a piece of real glass. Plexiglass blocks UV. You want the UV to go through, so we use real glass. And then we put it on a backing board. And then most people would put this in the sun for 10 minutes and that will burn the image into the paper. We're gonna use a UV floodlight here. This is a 50 watt UV LED floodlight. I'll put that over top. At 3 inches, I only need 5 minutes. If you do it at a foot, 1 foot, 12 inches, you probably need about 15 minutes. And we will get a photograph from this. It's really a very simple process. You can see from start to finish. Even printing the negative takes about 10 minutes. So altogether, not bad. It's a very safe process. Cyanotype is one of the safest kinds of photography. It's the oldest kind of photography. And it's that beautiful Prussian blue that is actually archival. It will never fade in light. So our time's up. Our exposure is finished. Take the light off. And then when you pull it out, the paper has taken the image. And you can see it already. And there's one more step. We want to rinse the green out of these areas. So we rinse this until the paper is white again.
Just in plain water?
This is the cyanotype chemical and coming out in the water. So yeah, it's just plain water. There you go. See, it's already turning blue. And we just want to rinse. We just want to make sure the white areas are white. And then you're finished. And you just, at that point, you need to let it dry, and that's it. And this will actually darken up over the course of about 2 hours. So and just come back and grab it. You have it on that.
Well, thank you for that.
Long time frame. Absolutely. Yeah, it's like having a screen printing screen that you use all the time. Yeah, it's actually a lot like having the screen for screen printing. You know, that's a negative of your image, so you put where it goes through the white. Any kind of lace or fabric pattern over top is great. Anything recognizable will show up great.